Hello, my name's Paul Anastas, and I'd like to talk to you about the Certificate in Green Chemistry and Chemical Stewardship. I've dedicated my entire professional life to advancing green chemistry and how we think about chemicals in ways that are not only good for human health and the environment, but also foster innovation. This set of courses is meant to give you perspective on how we not only understand the world and all of the chemicals that we use in our society and our economy to make the world a better place, but also how we tie these things into innovation and economic development. So this course of study, made up of 3 courses, starts out by saying, all right, what is the world as it is? What are the chemicals that are out there? What roles do they play? How do they interact with our bodies, and how do they interact with the biosphere? It talks about toxicology and ecotoxicologies and ways that provide you with the fundamentals that you'll need in order to have a perspective on where we are now. But where we are now is only one piece of the puzzle. The second course is looking at how do we think about alternatives to the current portfolio of chemicals that are out there. Many chemicals we know have concerns associated with them. We want to make sure that we can think about alternatives, and we assess those alternatives so that we're actually making progress. The third step is how do we think about the design of next generation chemicals so that we're not just choosing from those things that exist today, but we're designing the next generation of chemicals and materials so that they can't cause harm to humans or the environment. Part of this is related to the whole area of molecular design, where we understand the fundamental principles of chemistry and chemicals so that we get all of the function, all of the performance that we want, while minimizing any kind of adverse consequence that has historically come along with many of the chemicals that we use. Why is this set of courses so important? Because whether you're in business, whether you're an NGO, whether you're in government, whether you're an academic, these perspectives are the new thinking around chemicals, materials, and quite frankly, innovation. There's an old saying that if you keep on heading in the direction you're going to wind up where you're heading. Where we're heading isn't particularly good. The chemicals that are being used today have a set of concerns. This set of courses, this certificate program, is showing us how we change course. So whether you're writing policy, whether you're in industry and business, whether you are teaching the next generation of students, or you're an NGO that is trying to raise consciousness, this set of courses is going to allow you to have the perspective where you can know what's possible, what comes next, what tomorrow looks like. This will be cutting-edge tools with cutting-edge instructors, and I'm proud to be associated with it. I hope you'll consider the Certificate in Green Chemistry and Chemical Stewardship. Thanks.